Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll walk you through how to export Quizlet sets, so you can easily reuse your flashcards anywhere you need. This video breaks it down step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser, go to the Quizlet website, and log into your account. This is important because exporting sets is only available when you're signed in. Once logged in, you'll have full access to your saved flashcards. Step 2. Click on Library from the main menu, then select Flashcard Sets. This section shows all the sets you've created or saved. It helps you quickly find the exact content you want to export. Step 3. Browse through your flashcard sets and click on the set you want to export. This opens the full set page. Opening the set is necessary so you can access its export options. Step 4. Click the three dots menu on the set page, which is usually located near the top of the set. This menu contains extra actions related to managing your flashcards. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, click Export. This option allows you to convert your flashcards into a text format. Exporting makes it easy to move your study material to other apps or documents. Step 6. In the export settings, set the option between term and definition to tab. This keeps the data clean and well structured. Using tabs helps other programs read the content correctly. Step 7. Set the option between rows to new line, so each flashcard appears on its own line. This format improves readability and makes editing much easier later. Step 8. Click Copy Text to export the Quizlet set for use in another document or application, then paste it wherever you need. This final step completes the export process smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.